Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, with the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have Fanta lime soda. I do like the Coca-Cola version, which is called Limca. It's an origin from India, and I can get it in a Mideast grocery store. I pause to read the nutrition facts and ingredient label. It says they do use high fructose corn syrup in this. Not all of the foreign Chinese sodas use high fructose, but this does. Let me see where it's from. Product of China. I'm going to give it a sniff test first. It smells more lime than Limca. Let's pour some in and then taste test it. I don't want to go too much because I might not like it. It smells like Limca once it's poured. And Limca's pretty good. Oh, I like this. Weird fact about me and sodas. I like Limca. I like Fanta Lime. The Limca is Coca-Cola brand. And I like Squirt, which is featured on GTA. And in real life, it is grapefruit soda. So I like lime and grapefruit sodas. That's a plus. I give this on the low side an 8.8. And on the high side, I give it a 9.3. It is good, but I'm going to say Limca is a lot better. This is still something I would get again, and I would drink, but not chug. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you had this soda, how do you like it or don't like it in the comment section below? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Click what you like. Be safe. Knife on the video is the Cold Steel Engage. Black stonewash blade. Black G10 Atlas lock. No, black polymer. Sorry. Atlas lock and AUS 10A blade steel. Made. AUS 10A blade steel. Made in Taiwan. I can't get it to focus. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your food, your music, your video games. Enjoy yummy drinks like this lime, Fanta, and remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.